Hello, welcome back to another video. So y'all, I did a Amazon mystery box. It was like 14 bucks. Let's unbox and see what's in here. Y'all want to see that unbox? They got some good stuff. 14 bucks. I'm gonna hey, there's my new addition now, y'all. This look good. I'm gonna have to. I need some electronic. I need a camera for my vlogging. I also need a new phone. So I'm gonna do the electronics one. I got this lip gloss. Let me see upside down. Nice. Yeah, don't worry about the table. Maybe I can put it. Let me be a little bit aesthetics. Like aesthetics placing. Nice. This is, hold on. Let me back it up. Alright. Look. Yeah, 14 bucks. You can beat that. Then we got, where is this from though? This one is.
This is a lovely oil, moisturizing and hydrating.
No, I made a brand.
It says on it.
What brand is that
I'm
one?
not sure about this one.
Oh, look. A lot of lace stuff. I always love. Let me try it out before. Let me show you first before I try it. More lace stuff. That's nice. This one. And this one. 14 bucks. You can't beat that. And then we got a hand max. 14 bucks. Oh, I'm gonna do the electronic one. So let me try it out. Let me do this one first. It smells really good. Yeah, I like this kind of gloss that it don't stick to your lip. It just very smooth. Let me smell this one. I'll probably share with my girls. No.